Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're making Singaporean noodles. Hi guys, so in this dish we're gonna use chicken that we actually just leftover chicken from our takeaway. So we got chicken strips here, so it's battered, and also some chicken wings as well, and pieces of chicken. So what I'll do first with these chicken here, I'm actually not decided yet, but I think I'll keep it. I'll tell you later if I decide that the coating's not needed. We'll see. So see you in a bit. Welcome back. So we decided to remove most of the batter from the chicken. It's just because it might become too pasty inside the dish. So we removed as much as we can. It was quite difficult. So and then we just chopped it off, right? So now I've preheated the wok here. We're just gonna cook the chicken a wee bit. So this dish is more for leftovers. If you are gonna use maybe real chicken, then you'll just have to put it after you've put in the after cooking the garlic, the onions, and bell peppers. But not for this one. Okay, that's hot enough. Just gonna put the chicken there. Cooking it this way with the batter on still, the batter might actually come off. So if you cook it this way, you can get the some of the batter off and then just move it away before you go to the main dish. Come here, guys. Look at that. So it's getting to its original color with the brown bits of the batter. So I think that's good enough.
The batter looks nice, actually.
Yeah, it is. It actually smells that smells good. So it kind of actually smells like Kentucky Fried Chicken, but it's not. It's from a local shop here, which actually we how do you call this?
We reviewed
Last
last night. And
So
put it
wait
out
for
today.
that. So hopefully you would enjoy our video about our review on the chicken club, which is on top of the wok. Now, people, we are gonna put some eggs. What is a stir fry without an egg? Or a couple of eggs. Or 3 eggs, to be exact. So this is the way I would like to do it. It's less hassle than putting it in the bowl. So what I do is I just put that there and then do that. Mix it. It's street food style, baby. So while we're cooking that, I've preheated some hot water here, yeah, and we got the 220 grams of vermicelli rice noodles here. So this is how you cook your rice noodles, guys. Try to put everything under the water there, and then that should be cooked within 3 to 5 minutes. You have to look at it though. Check if it's not too cooked. Okay. So while that is setting, we are gonna check our eggs here. I think that's looking good. So I'll break it up a wee bit. We're just gonna put this aside just gonna wait. So that's on high heat. We were always on high heat, yeah. Now I'm gonna put the red bell peppers. I cook for a couple of seconds. Then we're gonna add the garlic. Since we have a lot of spring onions, I'm gonna put some spring onions instead of just regular onions.
I think for stuff like this, it makes it taste nicer.
Or you can put red onions or white onions, but like maybe just a half of a red onion and half for a red white onion. Medium size, of course. Look at that, guys.
Nice colors.
Wow. So just gonna let that settle in for a few more seconds. In the meantime, we're gonna add so I put in the chili garlic paste. Because this is Singaporean noodles, and since we like things spicy, just gonna put it there as well. Oh, that is smelling good. Now at this stage, we're gonna add the baby corn, just because that needs to be cooked a wee bit more. We're gonna check on our rice noodles. Oh, that is looking good, guys. Perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain that directly. So I'm just gonna break it from cooking further by pouring cold water. That should be enough. So really, just 3 minutes of this cooking and then that's it. I'm just gonna let that settle here and go back to our dish. That is looking amazing. Now, the stage, we are gonna put our sugar snaps. So you can see I've actually cut them this way. So diagonally. I think it's just better for stir fry. Whew, look at those colors.
That's great color.
Now we are gonna put the chicken. Look at that. Now we are gonna put in our Shaoxing wine. And our sugar. So you can put brown sugar or white sugar. It's just because I use brown sugar in mostly everything. If you can put in white sugar, it's up to you. Just a preference. There's no rule. Just like mere guidelines. It's all up to you at the end. That's looking good. Now we're just gonna add the rice noodles. So I'm doing it in batches so that it doesn't clump. And this is gonna be quick. Now,
it's getting all incorporated, isn't it?
Yeah. With that, so to make this Singaporean, we're gonna put our soy sauce, and the mild curry powder. can smell that now. Bake it up a wee bit. So this is our version of Singaporean noodles. You can put more curry powder if you want. That is all up to you. Just gonna add the eggs. Oh, look at that, guys. That looks amazing. Here's the hardest part, to incorporate stuff. Just gonna turn that off now. Because this is cooked. This is definitely enough for a whole family. So, whoever lives in Edinburgh, if you want to eat with us, come join us.
Come join us. There's enough.
Exactly.
There's enough for Leaf.
I would say. Look at that, guys. That's our take on Singaporean noodles. Just gonna sprinkle some bits of spring onions there. Didn't put all of the spring onions, just for garnish. And there you have it. Alright, let's taste this beauty. Wow, there's a lot, babe. One up to me. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect balance of the soy sauce, the saltiness and the chili in it. It's just great, and yet so simple, and just with few ingredients. Seriously, it's just amazing. You guys have to try this. So, Singaporean noodles, Ray and Gareth style, or Bison Tatties Boys style. See you around.